welcome back. So today we are going to be taking a little bit of a break from working on the exterior of the house and going back inside to work on the bathroom. I couldn't bear to torch any more of those boards. I need a little bit of a break, so.
Plus we had a lot of rain this past week, so anybody torching in the rain also, so.
Yeah. So yeah, we're ready to get started. Real quick, I wanted to take a minute to give a shout out to this guy right here for working so hard and being so amazing, and despite all of that and being off grid, he is somehow still able to pull out the pink brush and blow dryer to groom this beautiful beard. It's amazing, Josh. You're something else. Ready?
Okay, so what are we doing today?
We're working on the bathroom.
Alright, so we're going to start mudding. I guess finish sheetrock.
Yeah.
Start the mud, not the mud you wallow in, but the mud that goes on the walls. And we'll start making that happen, okay?
Yes, and soon we'll go ahead and put your throne in there.
Can't wait, actually.
Let's go.
Alright.
I don't know what's on your mind, and sweet sister, no, it's not right.
First, before we get started, we went ahead and just kind of made like a big makeshift baby gate right here, since we've got the toddler in here. So far it's been so cold outside that we haven't had this door open yet, and we obviously don't have a deck on the front yet, so it hasn't been an issue because the door's been closed. She's too small and not strong enough to open it, but now that we've got the nice weather here, we want the door open, get some airflow throughout the house. So yeah, this will do, right?
Nice baby gate.
So this is where we left off. You can see that the shower pan is looking good, and we have some of the backer board up. So next part is right here.
Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get this stuff up, the backboard up and done, and we'll go ahead and finish a bit of sheetrock, and then we'll tape mud.
Yes, and we're not going to be sanding any of this
Iron.
because the plan is to do planking in here. We really don't want to finish it with drywall all that much. It's just, we want to keep the cabin look, have it, you know, rustic and look like the cabin in the woods that it is, right?
The cabin feel.
Yeah, all right.
Would you like to go with others? Would you like to go with me?
done with the backer board, we are going to finish up the sheetrock that goes along the back where the vanity is going to go, also a small bit above the doorway, and then start taping and mudding everything.
Sweet sister, love's not blind.
Okay, so we have the bathroom pretty much up to the point that we need it to be before we start tiling. The last thing we've got to do is get back in there with the red guard, and I don't think we're going to do that until like right before we tile.
Yeah, so we obviously did not install the 1.5-inch drain line for the sink. Where it comes out of the sanitary line goes from 2 inch to 1.5 inch. Didn't have any pipe, so we went ahead and cut a hole. We're going to be able to test it. There's actually a little access hole on the outside, still not sheetrocked. I'm hoping we can fill it up. Aaron can try to squeeze through that hole to make sure it's not leaking, but I think our hips might stop her. I'm not sure.
Yeah. So basically what he's saying is that we need to head to town, pick up the 1/2-inch pipe, and also some more Depends for him because he's out. Did you need Little Debbie's while we're there?
Depends. Where'd that come from? Little Debbie's would be good though. But everything's mudded. I'm not a drywall guy. You're not, obviously.
Thank goodness.
Tell me. Jeez. I've lost my train of thought. So, we can do a light sand, but the entire bathroom will be covered in wood, right?
Yes.
We're planking throughout the entire thing. So, do light sand.
That's not in the shower.
That's not in the shower, obviously.
Yeah.
So, and that's it, right?
Yeah, that's it. I guess we had some questions about if we're living in the house yet or not. And no, we're not. We're still in the RV. our plan originally was to move in with when it was bare bones earlier in the year, and that's really just because we weren't sure if we were going to make it through winter or not in that RV.
Did.
And we did.
Yeah.
And it was tough. We definitely went through you know, some tough times with it being cold and like issues with the pipes freezing and all that sort of thing, but we made it through. So at this point we just want to go ahead and get the inside finished before we move in, because it's not that bad being in the RV this time of year with this kind of weather, rather than bring a toddler into a construction zone. So
yeah,
that's our train of thought.
You'll be working on stuff and pulling furniture out of the way. It's just a complete pain. Let's get the entire house done, moved in, then we'll start the backside of the house.
Yeah, so it's kind of cool. I mean, we think it's neat that you guys, you're seeing everything unfold as we complete projects. As we complete them, we're posting them for you guys to see. So yeah, I mean, kind of going along together. So
That's it.
yeah, that's it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Yep, see ya.
I don't see mommy.
Like I said, a face only a mother could love.
I mean, you're well rounded. So I mean,
It means I'm good at all things.
no. I'm saying you're round.
See, you know, being round, if you go way back in history, that was a sign of, you know, being royalty, so I'll take it.
Well, I was looking for, it's also in your case, sign diabetes. Awesome. It's good.
I'm not into Debbie's.